Guys, hi! Welcome back to my channel, Findstv Hobby Homeschool or Life of Carmina. Ang gulo po, no? But today, I know I have not been vlogging for quite a while. It was because we started practicing farming on the other side of the globe. Ano ba? Tama ba? Dito po sa Florida. But in a few days, I'll be going back to the Philippines. And today, since this is a hobby homeschool, whatever you wish to do at home, what I feel doing lately, well, I do this talaga naman, guys. I love practicing how to clean kasi it makes me feel good. I guess it's because maliban po sa good hygiene, but it soothes one who undergoes deep depression. So cleaning is one of my what I try to practice when I'm free. So ayun po, kita nyo guys, may paano. Guys, nangitim ako. Ayun po. So, dahil po nag-aral ng pagbubukid. So, but then anyway, hindi importante yun. No? So guys, nakikita nyo tong furniture sa likod. O, ito yung lilinisin natin kasi may pa-foyer. Sa totoo lang po, nasa laundry room po ng kapatid ko. Wala akong makuwang spot. Ang daming gamit dito sa bahay. But anyway, we will clean this, ha? Yung natutunan ko lang po. Okay? Again, this is Carmina. Welcome to my vlog. I am a baker by heart. But, basta, please do watch my vlog, my live videos for you to understand. Okay, magulo po, basta. Anyway, welcome back po sa akin. No? Welcome back to me. Ayun po. So, let's watch this. Gusto niyo yan? So guys, ito po, nagsuot ako ng apron, pero taasan mo ng konti kasi di ba honestly, magmamantsa ka. Or you don't want your clothing to be stained. So, I'm trying to speak in English because I also wanted to widen my audience. So, that is why po. So, again, yun po. So, what are the materials we're going to need is a clean rag. This is just an old shirt that I tore off and then I got a portion. And then we are also going to need the following. You're also going to need this one as a water with a dish soap. Mind you, po dish soap. That's what you use. Specifically, this is good for a wooden furniture, and then water for rinsing. So I'm going to need this clean cloth, but just damp it with the soap water solution. Okay? So guys, we're going to need just a suggestion. You can also use any old clean brush that you can, sweep out or sweep off the dust from the furniture. Okay, so let's do this. Also going to need a soiled or heavily dusted furniture before at least we know our subject for today. So this one inside also is yes, kind of really vintage, have not cleaned, never been cleaned, I guess, for a while. And look, let's also look at the underneath, if it's paano ba yan? Okay, wait. Initially, I'm dusting off like what I've said earlier, we're going to dust off the surface. This is just like a very my pilot episode on cleaning a furniture, but I really want to do this kasi it feels, because it really makes me, it brings me joy cleaning. Lately lang po, but to those of you who are suffering from anything, you feel very like, you feel somehow yung what you call, sometimes you feel sad, or even if you don't have depression, or from time to time, one of them is cleaning talaga. For me, but I guess yung sinasabi po nila, cleanliness is godliness. I am not godly, but I just think it would help. Like, for example, just, diba, basically taking a shower, cleaning yourself, putting on anything, wearing something, for as long as you will feel good, diba, it's the same as cleaning, I guess, no? Okay, we will just redo the inside later. Okay, so far it has been dusted. Let me do this again. You see this side? Alright. Then it's time to wipe off with the damp water soap solution. Let's start cleaning the inside part or the compartment of the drawer. Kailangan, because it's dusting out also yung the bottom. And then let's see inside how heavily it is. Somehow the inside is quite clean. I wanted to try, cleaning it as realistic as possible. Kasi, sometimes I really want to see. Some of my cleaning videos will be like, okay, we'll continue tomorrow, then the third day. For as long as, I finish it with you, yung how it went through while cleaning. Kasi some cleaning will be needing time to soak, diba, or to let it sit. So the whatever we tried cleaning, you really have, witnessed how it happened. So that's what I want to try. So I'm going to do this second layer. I'm gonna take it off, okay? You can also do it this way, and then brushing off. This part is the one I really like most. Wiping thoroughly the dusted parts. Maybe we're gonna do it twice or 3 times to really essentially clean every corner. So the color darkens as you clean it, no? I'm going to use the other side of the rag. So how about you? Do you also like cleaning? Yeah. Oh, clean with me. Do you like to clean? So always watch my videos. I did some cleaning about vintage leather bag, a toaster. Please do watch that. And don't be shocked, guys, because there are parts that I shared about my depression, because that's really part of my life. I wouldn't be doing this if I do clean, of course, pero basic lang. But yeah, I wouldn't be doing this essential cleaning if not for that. I want to be honest with that. I think that part of my life brought me to this point where, you know, vlogging about cleaning may be of help to others too. So I'm going to also go at the turn this, no, for cleaning the rear part of this foyer table or side table. This side, you see that, no? It darkens. This is the part I like really. Cleaning is very therapeutic, aside from other things like baking, cooking, flower arranging, anything that curates something to make anything look pleasant. Part, I guess it's going to be thoroughly wet na the rag because I need to rinse it. You see the dirt? It's filthy and really, you know, from the furniture's dirt. So I'm going to change the water so it's sensible that you thoroughly rinse it, no? But normally in my regular life, you know, like before, I would use straight to my wiping for the second coating. But this one, I'm gonna need to change it. So this one, guys, I have, I guess you just squeeze it tightly to really drain off the water. I know, that's questionable, right? I said it was damp, but that's what I read kasi, so you'll see. So I wanted to clean it the second time or the third time around. So it's really thoroughly clean, no? This ones, it looks really like what's the term? Almost like shiny. So I'm cleaning to the bottom, the feet of the furniture. Other side. These ones are already, you know, skirting out. Is that the term? You see that, guys? And then maybe turning this up a little bit slanting and help in cleaning the underneath. Running through this part again for the legs, the feet of the just be careful if you want to wear gloves or utility gloves so you will not have those engraved in your skin. Is that the way it's explained? So again, I'm going to rinse it or wash it in the soap water. I'm really okay, but I just wanted to share. This is what I have been doing. Whenever I have vacant time. So tightly squeezing out the third time. I'm not gonna show you, but at least you know already. So I'm going to also get inside. Okay? This one is quite, has a glue that I have to maybe scrape in another. Let's solve that solution. How do you scrape off this one? Maybe glued, a spill of glue. And this one. So just really showing how it's done manually, without using high-tech tools, although it will really speed up the project. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this back. So there you go, guys. I have somehow cleaned it. It looks better. So the drawers, can you see someone laughing? That's my son. He visited Florida and he's going back to school, flying back to another state tomorrow. Yeah, so that's it. So this one, you can put anything on top, like a lamp, your piece of your paper, stack of paper, a pen, or a small flower vase with your candle. So whatever, or your, how do you call this, side book that you want to, or bedtime book. Okay.